back to Jade's Garage. You know, I did a video a few weeks ago where I unboxed some parts from CJ Pony, and I also opened up a box from NPD, I believe, and I placed an order with NPD and also with CJ Pony, but NPD parts have arrived. So I want to do an unboxing because people like these things and they want to see what's in the box. This box, if you'll notice, is a unique shape, right? Well, I'm sure it's a dash pad. And I ordered this again from NPD, and it looks like they even have a special box for this. I mean, you don't just come up with a box at random for this purpose. So I want to open this up and get a look at this dash pad. Now there's a overlap seam. Let's see. I think this is a cap kind of end here, so I'm going to cut this cap looking piece and get it out of the way. Yep. I mean, that's pretty specific, right? I mean, I've seen boxes from other companies that they just hack it up and bend it around stuff, but that's a specifically made piece. So kudos to NPD for that. Let me tilt the camera so you can see what's going on. Yeah, I knew there were some other pieces in here. I could feel it. And I moved stuff around, so perfect. I also ordered new windlays for the pinch weld where the headliner goes in. But wow. And this is made, the company is Dashes Direct, is who makes this piece. That feels pretty pliable right now. You know, I don't even know if I want to open it yet. The bag's sealed. I don't think I want to open this until I have, or until I'm ready to start test fitting and trimming, because I know you have to trim these things. It does have the little studs on the end there where it goes into the dash panel. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to put this one away and we'll move on to the other box that showed up. This next box, as you can see, is quite a bit bigger and there's no damage. Big plus there. Now, I was going to wait to even open these until I did my live stream on Thursday, and people were commenting, well, you better open up and make sure you got the parts you ordered. Good call. Look at that. More Christmas wrapping paper. Now if I could just get onto roll it up onto a roll. That's a whole That's a lot of wrapping paper. And it's good stuff too. Alright. There's some other. I'm going to pull this box back and and set stuff up on top here. So let me set this on the floor. Scott Drake instrument bezel. Let's hope that it looks good. Well, I'd say that looks pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, that looks much better than the junky pieces I have. More on that later. Okay, that's the center piece for the dash. Center trim piece goes between the plastic on the passenger side and the bezel. That looks good. I'm not going to pull that out of the package, but this one I will. Look at that. Now there is a space here. They said you have to add the Mustang, so I'll salvage that from my other piece that I have. Yeah, I like it. This answers the grill question. I know it's hard to see, but there's expanded metal, and it looks like it's going to take, you know, some finesse, some finish work to get it in the car, but that's what I went with. Looks like it's in good shape. Yeah. Here's some other pieces that I ordered. These are Dan Carpenter. From what I've heard, his seals are better than other seals. So this is a firewall to hood seal. This one is the coupe and convertible trunk seal. And this is a pair, should be a pair of 67, 68 roof drip rail or roof rail seals. I have a couple more small pieces I want to show you, because this is a company that I saw out in SEMA, and I'm really hoping that I can make this happen, make this work. These are mirrors that they sell, and I just wanted to go with the chrome mirror. However, I made a little upgrade. Nice mirror, right? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? If you look real close, maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. You can see my ceiling. You can't really see it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. You see those little dots? You know what that is? LED. Turn signals. How cool is that? You'll have these indicators. This will be the driver's side, and you know it's hard to see that, but there's just a little. There's the camera. I don't know if I can find the angle. Anyway, so there's 3 dots, or no, I say 3 dots. There's 1, 2, 3. Looks like 9. I'm guessing. So maybe you can see it. It's hard to see what's going on the camera, but there you can see it will have turn signal indicators built into the mirrors. I like that. I think that's going to be a nice touch, nice cool feature. And you know, some people probably won't see it. I know it'll be there, and I wanted to try those out, so that's where I'm at. And there's probably some other items. I think that's everything out of this box. So not a big, huge order, but yeah. Oh, I forgot. There was one more box, one more little box, and it was very light. And I realized it was the bezel for the interior dome light and the lens. So they had two offerings for this. They had a clear and kind of a milky color. I went with the clear. I don't know if I'll regret that or not, but it all counts. In all my excitement, I missed another bag. So I was checking my list, to see what was here and what wasn't. And I couldn't find the original packing list. So I dug into the box deeper and I found some various other pieces that I needed. These are the bumper bracket bolts that go on the fender. These are for the seals that go on the quarter, where the quarter glass is. There's two of those. I have them for the door, so now I have them for the quarter as well. I didn't know they came with hardware, so I have extra hardware. Also have the door bumpers, so when you shut the door, that helps stop it from hitting too hard. There's the little brackets that I needed. So got those. Good with that. And just because I ordered a couple more bags of fender bolts. Just because. Can never have enough of those. Alright, now you know what's in the box. I think there's one more. I know I have an order from CJ coming. It should be the front seat belts. And there was something else that I ordered from them. There will be more stuff coming, I'm sure, because, well, you need all these pieces and parts to put a car back together. But the list gets smaller every day. I'm happy with that. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And look forward to making the next video for the 68 Mustang known as Jade, which will be the air conditioning continuation. So, until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya. That's not working, so I have to reset the box. Ta-da!